What's going on, guys? It's James here from Carbon Off-Road. Now I want to show you our new 3K winch or 3,000 pound utility winch. So these utility winches are great for ATVs, UTVs, you know, if you're hoisting up a light tinny over the roof of your four-wheel drive, that kind of stuff, or even I've seen these used for hoisting up masts as well. So, you know, whatever you can think of, people have used these for. So let's do a quick unboxing and try not to cut myself. And we'll just have a quick look at the new 3K. Now, a bit of information on the specs. We've got a 153:1 gear ratio with it as well. Right, so owner's manual, we'll read that after we try to install it, as we all do. So we've got the mounting base plate, and so obviously your fair lead, you know, goes on the front of that and your winch bolts onto that, but we'll get to that in a sec anyway. So we'll just pop that down here, pull out some styrofoam. This is very well packed, I'll give you that. Right, too well packed. I've just broken a bit off there. Right, so here's a little winch. It's a tough little winch. Now this whole package is about 9 kilos in weight, so it's fairly light, so you're not going to add too much to your ATV or to your project. So let's just get a bit of a struggle here. It's too well packed for me. Right, so we'll get, that's the bits and pieces, that's the empty box. We'll just chuck that down here. Chuck him away. Right, the winch itself, let's get him out. So basically that sits on there. Oh, and it comes with synthetic rope as well, so which is a nice feature. You have your engagement of your free spool engaged on the side there. So it's just an easy engagement. Now this is a single stage Planetary gearbox. So it goes from 1 to 153. It is a 1.5 horsepower motor, so it's pretty good for this size winch. Now let's just see what we get in the box. Okay, so you get a control box, so that there controls, and it obviously plugs into this winch. Oh, that's handy. So that's a little baby fairly. That's pretty cool, right? That's almost keyring size. You could actually use that as a keyring if you really wanted to. So, but that obviously will go off the front there. Very cool. I want one of those. Might have to pinch that one. So this is your handlebar mount. So it comes with bracketry and stuff. So in and out. So you can mount that to your handlebar, and then that plugs into the control box. So that makes it really easy. Obviously your hand saver. And you also get a wireless remote, and that's the wireless remote receiver as well. So that's pretty cool. Oh, a little baby hook as well, so I like that. That's another key ring you could have. That's awesome. And of course your mounting hardware. So you got some nuts and bolts in there, and also some covers for your terminals. So that's pretty much it. So there you go, guys. The new Carbon Winch 3,000 pound with 153:1 gear ratio, 1.5 horsepower motor, and great for projects, great for, you know, trailers, great for your ATV or UTV. And there you have it. So just check it out on the website. But handy little winch. I'm just thinking about what can I do with it. Like what could I put this onto to make my life easier? But anyway, we won't go there. All right. Good talking to you guys. Thanks for watching. See you later.